Imagine a workplace where robots glide silently, finishing tasks faster than humans. Here's the shocking part. This isn't the future. It's happening right now. Robots today aren't just machines. They're powerful teammates. From warehouses to hospitals, they're boosting efficiency in ways most people never imagined. But that's not all. They're changing how businesses grow. Think of robots like marathon runners who never get tired. Imagine Amazon warehouses where robots carry packages non-stop while humans focus on planning. Here's the amazing part. Robots cut wasted time, reduce costs, and improve safety. The hidden secret is flexibility. Unlike conveyor belts, robots adapt instantly to new layouts. But wait, there's a warning. Over-reliance could reduce human creativity. Still, the benefits are unbelievable. Faster deliveries, smarter factories, and scalable operations. Now imagine this. Robots predicting supply chain needs before managers even ask. This revolution could completely change the future of work and business. Next, robots may design smarter offices, assist in healthcare, and even collaborate in classrooms. This powerful revolution could reshape industries worldwide. Robots aren't here to replace us. They're teammates boosting efficiency and helping humans build a smarter future. Do you think robots should remain teammates that enhance human creativity or eventually take over most jobs? And why? If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Nezzhub Tech for more future technology insights.